Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Venkat, and my project is on digital health tools and their impact on physician burnout and workflow. Physicians face numerous challenges and burnout due to uh, increased workload, chaotic work environments, persistent time pressures, along with an endless burden of insurance and clerical work. The aim of this project is to conduct a systematic review identifying positive and negative outcomes related to the health tools, as well as identifying the causes of physician burnout related to digital environment. The study is conducted in accordance with PRISMA guidelines, which stands for Preferred Reporting Items for Systematic Reviews and Meta-Analysis Guidelines. So to give you a background of my research, digital health solutions are highly valuable and have potential to expedite patient care offered by the physicians if used efficiently. CPOE, which stands for Computerized Provider Order Entry, is the process of the provider entering and sending treatment instructions. This was identified as the driving factor between electronic environment and physician burnout. The increased clerical tasks due to health apps and its related complexity have been associated with emotional exhaustion and cynicism, and has eroded mental health of physicians. The strength of this project is that it includes input from surveys of a diverse group of healthcare providers, patients, and different types of digital health apps. This review identifies concerns that may be addressed to improve population health, physician well-being, patient experience, and cost reduction related to digital health technology. So for the methods, I used various databases such as PubMed, Web of Science, Scopus, Embase, etc., and selected articles based on certain key terms such as digital health tools and telehealth, and so on. I started to include and remove articles based on certain inclusion-exclusion criteria as seen on the spider diagram on top. To be included, the articles had to directly talk about clinical outcomes, physician feedback, or health outcomes as a result of digital health tools. The article also had to be from a primary source, so if the full text was not available, and if it was a review paper or a non-peer-reviewed article, it was excluded from my search. For it to be included, it had to be published in the last 10 years and be written in English. Physicians at all levels, trainees, juniors, and senior physicians who follow digital health tools in their workplace are included in the surveys. The number of studies finally included were 58. From reviewing these 58 papers, it was found that the most discussed digital health tools were electronic health records, EHR. The outcomes discussed in regards to these health tools had equal number of positive outcomes, negative outcomes, and many talked about both. The EHR factors that negatively impacted clinicians' job satisfaction are ergonomic problems, time pressure, interference with work-life balance, and patient-physician relationship, excessive data entry requirement, as well as inaccessibility to information from other sources. Burned out physicians showed lower personal accomplishment scores, suicidal tendencies, and difficulty in sleeping. Adoption of human-computer interaction design principles had a significant positive association of job satisfaction with electronic health, resulting in less harm to physicians with improved patient outcome. The limitation of this review is that it does not clearly differentiate between burden related to workload and burden related to technology. Individual measurements of proficiency and efficiency composites of EHR use were not done to interpret the degree of burnout in each setting. So for future directions, evidence from these reviews suggests extraneous task load, digital health tools, and organizational policies leading to exhaustion, but they also suggest improved job satisfaction after post-interventional trainings. Combining configurable, user-friendly digital health technology, physician wellness strategies through a holistic approach by government authorities, digital designers, and clinical leaders can improve patient outcome and make healthcare providers' work life more rewarding. Thank you. That was my project, and thanks for listening.